Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Southern Tea Time, and in today's video, I am going to be preparing for my social media planner for the week of March the 2nd through the 8th. And you guys, since it is almost springtime, I thought I'd go ahead and pull out my Fun Florals sticker book. And so if you saw my video where I did my monthly for March, then you will see I used some awesome florals as well. Actually, I used the new flower sticker book, but I'm going to go ahead and use some of these florals out of the Fun Floral sticker book just to kind of get ready for the springtime. So what I'm going to do is pull just a few. I already went ahead and pre-planned, so I do have some stickers off to the side. But what I want to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and white out these date dots because I do want to do something a little different with these. And so when I white these out, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to use some of my Planner Basic sticker book stickers. They have some big numbers, these nice big numbers in that sticker book. And I have so many of them, so I want to go ahead and utilize those. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is just putting those off to the side so that way I have more room to kind of do some decorations and have more room to write on the left hand side if I need to. Now, when it comes to decorating my weekly spreads for my social media planner, I do love to have a white space, but I also love to just decorate it a little bit with some colors and just some stickers. And so that's why I'm going to go ahead and use that Fun Florals in this spread as well. But I like to have that white space so that I'm able to like take down some notes, write down certain stats, or just something that I want to keep up with for my social media. I'm able to do that. And then at the end of the week, as I'm putting down my notes and just ending the week off, if I need to add more stickers to kind of cover up some of that white space, I'll still have that room to do so. So from time to time, I do go back and I do add stickers. So All right, so I love how this spread turned out, super cute. Now these two boxes are going to indicate, of course, when my videos come out, and also I would at the end of the week I'll also place like what the views overall was for the week for each of those videos. Absolutely love the Boss Babe little quote sticker there. Just love those little pops of quotes within this spread. And then also I loved how the Wrong One dolls just kind of complements the florals or the fun florals all together in the spread. And again, like I said, I use a little bit of deco, but I want to allow myself to have white space to write. And then I will probably go in and maybe add some more stickers toward the end of the week. But I love how this turned out, you guys. Also, if you are new here, hello and welcome. And if this is your very first time here, I hope you consider subscribing to my tea party. Thanks for watching.